My name is Cristina Rojas Cecilio. Ingredients: chocolate or grains, goat cream, flour, powdered glass, spag or sweet smell. Instructions: put in the chocolates to 20 seconds in the microwave until it is melted. And the tablets of goat cream string in the ingredients are completely mixed. And flour and stir until create a homogeneous mix and can strain. And 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and can stir. Wet and smoke speak and give bits and bits and finish.